Good afternoon. I'm Har Sahiba Kaur and I'm having a nuclear family. So we are family of 4. My husband, he's in IT company. My 2 daughters. So younger one is Japsirat. She's 4-year-old and she's studying in Eurokids Rukmani Nagar. Following that, I have elder daughter Nehmat Kaur. She is 5 years old and she is studying in LKG in same Eurokids Rukmani Nagar. A preschool education for my kids, when I thought, was very important decision that I had to make along with my husband and my family, because I feel a child is naive. They don't know what is good for them, what is harmful for them. They're just naive. They feel everything can be approached. We as a parent, is our responsibility to give them the best comfortable environment where they can nurture. And a preschool is the best way I can provide it. So preschool is where your child will understand the importance of being right and wrong. Because they are so small, they don't know what to do. So when they are at home, we as a parent, we know how to do, what to do. But they will somewhere take us as granted. They will not learn the fundamentals and the basics of the life, which they will learn quite late. But if you want that your child should learn it a little early, preschool is the best school, is the best platform you can give it to your child. When the child enters to the school, they first learn how to mingle with so many people, how to face so many people. They will get some confidence. Earlier they were shy, they don't want to talk other than mama, they want to get behind mama and papa. But when they enter the school, they want to mingle, they want to make friends, they want to open. Then the teachers, they nurture them so well that they know what is the basics. They know when to say Lou, when to say Poo. They understand the very basics of the school. That can be taught at home as a mother. But I believe, again as I said, somewhere I feel children do take parents as granted. Sometimes they will start crying and we'll be patient enough, not be patient enough, and we will think, okay, let's give you a break. But at school, they will not be the same as with your parents. They will behave in a certain manner because they will see other kids behaving in that manner. They will know that this is the way you speak, this is the way you do things in the school. They will see adults, they will see their seniors in the school. They will know this is the time period for school, this is the time period for recess, and this is the time period for learning some concepts. So they will know the time management skills little by little. This is first very important thing. They will learn the basic etiquettes, thank you, the gratitude, and many more such things. Then how to ask for going, can you please excuse me, can you please take me to the loo, can you please give me water, which we usually say, please pani de do, aise kar do. They will learn, because when you are facing the world will judge you. They will not see you what you are, how small you are, kyun shor macha raha hai, kyun ye kar raha hai. A preschool, they don't judge, they just nurture. And after a mother, I think preschool could be the best mother a child requires. So that was my concern, and I was looking forward to such school which would nurture my kid in the same manner which I wanted. And this is the way I wanted to have it. When it came for a decision that where should we put our kids to the preschool, then the girls, and then the safety is the utmost important thing. So I thought that let's start asking the friends for the options and references. I asked so many friends and relatives, and to my surprise, most of the people have recommended me Eurokids Rukmani Nagar. They said the environment is so lovely, your child will not feel that they are far away from school. The teachers make them so comfortable, they make them learn so nicely that your child will feel safe over there. And then many other schools were also there. We hopped and we saw. But one day we came here just randomly, I just spoke to ma'am that ma'am, my child is ready to come to the preschool, and I just wanted to know which is the best school. So can I just come to you and have a talk? I don't know what ma'am had, if she had any other plans, but ma'am just said yes, you are welcome. The next morning, my whole family was there with grandparents because they were more curious to know which school are my granddaughters going. So we came to the school. We had one-to-one interaction with ma'am, Pushpa ma'am. She made us so comfortable. She told us everything, how the school operates, how the teachers are being how the teachers are making the children learn, what adaptive the circumstances are they giving to the child so that they don't feel that they are far. So first few days could be little bit difficult because child is just being separated from mother. And the best part is, you won't believe, I don't know, but when the first day of school starts, so teachers welcome mothers also. They make sure that mothers are sitting next to the children, next to the child for 3 days, at least 3 to 4 days, so that child does not feel that somebody has separated me from the mother. That is the best thing I could feel, the safest. Then slowly and steadily they started separating. So these things were told to me by Pushpa ma'am. But again, we had to explore. Then she told me how the safety has been the most important part of the curriculum and the school environment. That made us feel that yes, this is the safest school. Then comes, how do you make kids learn? Ma'am told, we don't force the concepts. We introduce them in a play-learn way. We play and they learn. You don't feel that they are learning something. So that was like a winning moment for us as yes, we decided Nehmat is going to this school. Then after a few days when the session started, Nehmat came to the school, and the first day was so cute. They were taken photos, they were welcomed as if the prince and the princesses are being welcomed to the castle for the ball or some nice party. They were made so comfortable. We had nice session. It was 1 or 2 hour session, and then we were made to go back. Then steadily from the next day, some new concepts, new learnings, how the kids have to be adapted to the school, it was done for us. And for the 4th day, if I remember, Nehmat was taken from us, like other kids were taken from their parents. And I guess only 1 or 2 kids cried, that too for some time, and then they were all silent. And we were curious and we were like on the nerves, what kids are doing, are they okay, shall we take them? And teachers showed us, see your kids are there, they're all settled there. 5th day, we were okay, we didn't feel that we have to come to school. But we have to anyways because the transportation has to be started. So once it was done, we were packed, we were ready, everything was done. The books are there, everything is there, and then we started. Nehmat learned so many things in the first year, and I could see the shy child going to the school with the curiosity and with the feeling that I'll be separate from my mother, will I do something over there? She made friends, she showed herself in a confident way to the world outside. This was a winning position for me. This was a statement for me that yes, my second child is ready to go for the same school where she will be accompanying her elder sister, and she has become so kind. The teachers have imbibed kindness in the kids. I have seen every child is so kind. They're being taught kindness also here in their play-learn way. So there are many things that the teachers make them learn. The gratitude, how to respect others, the life skills, how to make beds and everything. But as I see, she was also so kind to let her sister know that I am there for you. What can you expect? 3-year kid to ask her sister that yes, you can come with me. So that was a winning point for me, and so my both daughters have been enrolled in the same school and they are so happy they are doing it. Nehmat and Seerat before joining EuroKid, if I say, first Nehmat if I say. So Nehmat was the first to join EuroKid, and before that she was energetic full of excitement from very first moment that she could say something. So she is a very friendly person. She loves to talk. She can talk for a longer time. So when I enrolled Nehmat for the first time, she was a bit shy. She was anxious. What was gonna happen? Why is Mama gonna send me to the school? Am I not a good baby? Why is she sending me far? So then I told her that you will make new friends now. You might be getting bored with Mama some days, and let's explore something new. When she entered to the school, I can't tell you how much difference I feel. The excitement level that she has, it has been modeled. She knows how to show the excitement. She is not behaving wild. Earlier, she could have behaved wild. She was behaving wild at times. The excitement was so high that she used to just jump over something. But now, after a few years, I could see a maturity has come to the child. She has been kind since birth, since she was having some senses that how to behave. But after joining the school, the sense of maturity that has come to her is mind-blowing. She has learned how to be a daughter, good daughter, and she has also learned how to be a model sister. That I didn't expect her, because she's just a year apart from her sister, and she shows such love and such maturity to her sister. The kindness that she shows. Earlier she used to just cry out loud and burst out everywhere, and she used to be like when a child is wild. So now it will be tamed. So the way she is now is like surprising for me. She has explored many things. She has learned. The teachers make them learn the gratitude opportunity, how to make gratitude, to imbibe gratitude in your life. So every morning they have started wishing Mama, Papa and the grandparents, and she has also learned how to feel the emotions. Because I remember when I was child, we didn't have this opportunity to understand our own emotions or somebody else's emotions. So we used to be like, it's only my emotion, I don't care about anybody else. She has learned that if she is angry, and if the sister is also angry, or her friend is angry, she knows how to mold it down. And it is so exciting for me that how could a small child could understand her emotions, acknowledge it, and then also understand others' need. Oh my God, that is asking so much, but she has done it. Same goes with Japsirat. So Japsirat is she is determined, like Nehmat. She is excited, she is determined, she is nature loving, and she is like extrovert. Japsirat, on the other hand, she is determined. She is self-starter. You don't need to ask her to. She will see, she will start. But she is little inflexible. There are some issues with adaptability with her. She feels shy. So she is little, I would not say introvert, but she chooses when to speak and when to not. She is very, particular about that. But now, after entering the school, the first year was like a changeover for her. She now knew that okay, it is safe to talk. Nobody would judge me. Nobody would say me something. I don't know what would have happened to her if she would have not entered to the Euro school. She would have been like that timid, shy child. Now she still speaks less, unlike her sister, but she is very confident while she is speaking. And she is so confident that she is ready to take the risk. She has become a risk taker. You say her, Seerat, can you do this? She will just come, yes mama, I can do this, I will try this. She's not shy like before. And she has grabbed that gratitude like her sister too. Because the teachers have imbibed it from the very first day. Thank you, sorry, good morning wishes. They do it all in learning way, in a musical way that makes it so lovely. I have seen a tremendous and very happy changes in my child. So with that, I would say introducing EuroKid to my children in the early age has been one of the best decisions that I would made in my life. Now Nehmet has completed 3 years in Eurokids Rukmini Nagar and Seerath has 2. So with these 3 consistent years, what I feel is that my kids are almost ready to face the world very confidently, and they can take any challenge what the world throws towards them. So when it comes to consistency, I feel so nice that the school has made me so comfortable that I could keep my kids consistently in the same school, because consistency plays a very important role. If you change school every now and then, your child will be in shock. They will not understand whether I am a problem or there's some other issue that I cannot handle. So that would be not a good situation for them as well, because they will have their own points to understand, but am I not good? I'm not able to take the challenges. So keeping this as a consistency, I am so happy that school has given me a surety, and by the way they are nurturing the kids, that this is the best play school for your preschool for your school kid. So I have maintained a consistency too, because consistency gives confidence to the kid. With a regular environment, with the consistent teachers, with the same environment, they feel secure. And so it's like the fruit is getting ripened. So when the fruit is raw, you cannot just pluck it and keep it somewhere else. It will lose its importance. So it has to get ripened. So the 4 years in the Eurokids Rukmini year is, I will say, that you are getting your child to be ripened as a good fruit when it is ready to go to the market, go to the world and face it with an ace.